the words come out from the depth of truth, where tireless striving stretches its arms towards perfection, where the clear stream of reason has not lost its ways into the day desert sand of dead habit,
where the mind is led forward by me into every wavering thought and action, into that heaven of freedom. My father led my country away. My father led my country away. Thank you.
Good morning to one and all. I, Avantika Saini, I, Smaira, we gathered here today to celebrate the birth anniversary of Rabindranath Tagore. India celebrates birth anniversary of Rabindranath Tagore on 7th May every year. He is a poet, a writer, a painter, and a philosopher and a freedom fighter. He is one of the India's most iconic cherished character. He was born on 7th May in the year 1861 in Kolkata. Tagore's contribution had continuously helped us in shaping India's literature, music, and thoughts.
He was the first Asian to receive Nobel Prize in Literature in the year 1913 for his collection of poems Gitanjali. His words transcend time, offering wisdom, knowledge, beauty, and a deep human connection. He established an experiment of open schools in Shantiniketan and later was declared as world's first living heritage university by UNESCO. People call him Gurudev Maya. So let's today take a pledge to be fearless and be courageous. Let's raise our voices against injustice and spread universal brotherhood and enlighten the world with our knowledge. Thank you, and let's hear a speech from Anna. Good morning, respected principal, respected teachers, and dear students. Today, our Anna from class 8 Violet is honored to speak about the legendary Rabindranath Tagore, a poet, philosopher, and Nobel laureate who left an indelible mark on Indian literature and culture. Rabindranath Tagore poetry, which explores themes of love, nature, and spirituality. As Tagore beautifully puts it, the highest education is that which does not merely give us information but makes our life in harmony with all existence. This quote highlights the importance of holistic learning, which goes beyond mere facts and figures. Tagore's vision for a harmonious world is reflected in his quote, "Let your life lightly dance on the edges of time, like dew on the tip of a leaf." This remark on May 7, 1861 in Calcutta, India. He is best known for his profound reminds us to cherish every moment and live life to the fullest. Another notable quote by Rabindranath Tagore is, "Faith is the bird that feeds the light when the dawn is still dark." This encourages us to